Hey everyone, it's been a few months since I have posted. I was not gone for nothing. I was building something better for every seeker and every aspiring numerology. Today I finally get to show you what that is. Good news first. Orayog.com is back, rebuilt, reloaded, and honestly better than ever. Let me walk you through exactly what's new. This is the new home of Eternal Light. Everything we do now lives right here on one platform. AI guidance, instant reports, free calculators, matchmaking, even live experts, all in one place. First, meet Aura Guide, your personal AI numerologist. Just type in your birth date and get real answers instantly. No forms, no waiting, just a conversation. The way learning about yourself should feel. You get your full profile, life path, expression, soul arch, destiny as a downloadable report in seconds. And if you want a quick answer, our free calculators are still there. Life path, name numerology, birthday analysis, no card, no catch. But here is the big one, matrimony matching, now powered by AI. 2 names, 2 birth charts, and our system reads the real compatibility behind them. Not just the percentage, but the why behind it. This is the one I am excited about today. And when you want a human expert, not just AI, you could book a live session right from the site. Loshu grid, name analysis, marriage analysis, brand analysis, all one click away. From day one, our promise has been simple. Help create more numerologists, as I always say, and make it faster for seekers who find a real expert. No more endless searching. We have brought all of them together under orayog.com. So go on, head to orayog.com and come decode your numbers with us. I will see you in there.